Yeah. Yo, let's go. We on the move and we taming them dragons from city to city. Surrounded by women that's pretty with big masted asses and titties. You niggas got coins in your pockets, we only keep hundreds and fifties. Dance around them like Diddy, fam and ready to die just like Biggie. We on the move and we taming them dragons from city to city. Surrounded by women that's pretty with big masted asses and titties. You niggas got coins in your pockets, we only keep hundreds and fifties. Dance around them like Diddy, fam and ready to die just like Biggie. Welcome to my splendid kingdom. This is mostly of my subjects. Respect no other nigga, never heard of you, it's Lester. Enter in my house with respect or we gon' throw him off the castle wall. Rope around his neck. Ice, Omex, that's the soldiers in my set. Norsemen, fly with swords and shields, fly in private jet. Footprints, Archangel Michael guide in my step. One hand holding the scriptures and the other hold the tech. Nazarite, Phoenix bird, I'm taking flight from the ashes of my own death. They thought I was just hype. Exile, the forgotten when I hit rock bottom. My enemies gained the upper hand, I couldn't stop them. I was all but defeated until the angel appeared and whispered the words of the cherubim in my ears. Keep on going cause the tide about to turn. Lord of the microphone, cobra clutching, gripping firm. We on the move and we taming the dragons from city to city. Surrounded by women that's pretty with big masted asses and titties. You niggas got coins in your pockets, we only keep hundreds and fifties. Dance around them like Diddy, fam and ready to die just like Biggie. Cause we on the move and we taming the dragons from city to city. Surrounded by women that's pretty with big masted asses and titties. You niggas got coins in your pockets, we only keep hundreds and fifties. Dance around them like Diddy, fam and ready to die just like Biggie. King of the North, this is merciless mercy, yeah, this ain't the South. My personal legend, and I have to ask you a man or a mouse. Cause me, I'm a blow, I'm a pop, ain't no stopping, I bet you your house. When niggas is rapping and capping and talking that ish out their mouth. I'm always on point, stand to attention, just like a nipple. When I start to spit in reality, split and they start causing ripples. Escaping from crime, I'm a master of time and a master of space. I ain't got no manners, I'm smoking in door, blowing smoke in your face. Me and my Benjay, we destined for greatness. My enemies, they destined to fail. Back from the Acropolis, sitting in dungeon, shepherd and men with the crook of the flail. Out of the mud, we burning for scraps, no inheritance. Only your blood, sweat and tears. Only the brave, only the warriors, niggas is conquering all of their fears. Cause we on the move and we taming them dragons from city to city.